Good morning, friends. How are you guys? Today I am going to Target, so we are gonna do a shop with me. I just need some random stuff, but I did specifically want to go into Target for some pajamas. It's been really hot lately, so I want like cotton sleep pajamas, like sleep dresses and things like that, because most of my pajamas are long sleeve or like pants, and I want like shorts, pajamas, and dresses. And also I want to get the boys some like short sleeve short pajamas too, because they don't have a lot, and it's been crazy hot. Even with like the AC running, I'm constantly hot. Like I feel like I'm getting hot flashes, but that's also because of other stuff, maybe some postpartum stuff, like even though it's been a year. Anyways, I'm babbling. Let's go to Target, you guys. Okay, we're at Sleepwear, you guys. I like this Nacho Average Fry. That's so cute. So I found this one for sleeping, and it has like a built-in like padded bra in it. That's nice. Decided to get it in this pink too. Kind of tempted. They have this in green. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys, they have it in a different color to this one, but the fabric's a little different in the bottom, which I don't know, I just like that cotton feeling more so than this. But that one's cute. I wanted to get this if I could find my size, but they don't have it. But it has a lemon. That is so cute. I really like these boogie wipes, so I'm gonna get some. I saw this on an end cap, so I'm gonna get it. This is mango, carrot, snacks. Both my boys need socks, so I got this for Jakey, 6 to 12, and then Liam is 4T to 5T. I found some short sleeve pajama sets. This is so cute. I'm off to the stars, and this comes with shorts, and then the other one comes with a short sleeve and pants, which is fine. And then Liam gets the same. I love matching my boys. Decided to get this for the boys too, and it comes with that one too. 3 times I never got this, so I decided to finally get it. This is a Mama Needs Some coffee mug. It's huge. I've been looking for one of these guys forever. I'm finally gonna get these little mini muffin pans so I can like make mini muffins for the boys, or like little egg muffins. We gotta get some more Listerine. Gonna get some of these Baby Bell cheeses. I got 3 avocados, these yogurts for the boys, and I love trying different coffees, so I got this one and Blue Bottle. I've never seen this. I'm just curious, so I'm gonna get this. I got some olives. I love these Kodiak cakes. I usually get just the powder and then you mix with water, but I didn't see that here, so I'll just get this. I usually get the big powder one at Costco, and then I also got some Oro Wheat Organic 100% whole grain. This stuff is really good. And oh yeah, some waffles. Never mind, found the Kodiak cakes here, but I just want to try this just to see if it's good. I mean, I'm sure it's going to be good, but you can also get these guys here. I got 2 soy milks, and I got a loofah for Justin. And oh my gosh, have you guys heard of Milk Bar? This is their AKA crack pie mix. If you buy it online, it's super expensive, but it was only like $4.99 here, so I'm getting it. This smells so good. I was just sniffing all these sprays. I like hair sprays. This is like a leave-in mist that conditions your hair, so I'm gonna try this. And I'm getting one of these guys, the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. So that's pretty much my haul, you guys. I've never tried this Peet's almond milk cold brew. I honestly haven't really found a cold brew that I like, so I keep trying them. Oh dang, I kind of like this one. But would I get it again? Probably not. No, not really. But it's not like so bitter and so gross. So, you know what? I changed my mind. I think I would get this again. I kind of like it. It just takes me a little while to kind of like see it, whether or not I do or I don't. Anyways, friends, that's my Target shop with me. You know what I notice? Whenever I go to Target, I go like first thing in the morning at 8 a.m. when they open, and I think that's when they stock everything up, because every single time I've done a shop with me and I came in like at 8 a.m. it's always like everyone's stocking everything up, and then when I'm talking to myself, they think I'm talking to them, and then they see me with the camera and they're like, oh, can I help you find anything? And I'm like, no, I'm so sorry. Anyways, maybe I'll come in. What time do you think they'll be done stocking up? I I guess it doesn't matter, right? I mean, like, I just don't talk as loud because I don't want them to think I'm asking them for help or anything. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!